Welcome to another episode of Rails Hive. Today we're going to go over how to connect to GitHub via SSH. Why would you want to set that up? Well, so that you don't have to enter in your username and password each time you do a push request to GitHub, especially if you're using the same computer for it. So the first step you want to do is go to github.com and register yourself a user account. And from there, open up your terminal. In my case, I'm using iTerm and enter in the steps for the configuration. So the first part of the configuration that we're going to set up is the color, saying that we want to use the default coloring styling that GitHub has. So we're going to set that to true. The next part is to configure the username that you want to use for your pushes to GitHub. So in my case, I'm going to use Rails Hive. And then you want to enter in the email address that you want to use. The next step, key. And just note that I have to enter in my email address again. All right, so the next part is going to ask you whether or not you want to use the default path that it has for the key. In my case, I do, so I'm just going to click on enter. And I already have a path on my computer, so I'm going to overwrite it. Then you have to enter in your passphrase. Okay, it generated the key. So the next part is that you'll need to copy it in order to add it to GitHub so that it can have the connection. So in order to view it, you can enter in this command. This will make it visible into your terminal, and you just have to copy it from there. All right, the next part we will enter into GitHub. All right, once you go inside of your GitHub account, you want to go to settings. And then after you go to the settings page, you want to click on SSH and GPG keys. So you want to click on new SSH key. You can enter name here. In my case, I'll just put new Mac. And then you'll just paste in the key here that you have from your terminal, and then click on add key. Okay, once you've added your key to GitHub, you can go back to your terminal and then enter in this command in order to test the connection. Voila, it's connected. That's it.
Now you can create a repository in GitHub and select SSH instead of HTTP. And that will allow you to not have to enter your username and password each time you push a commit to GitHub. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe and turn on your notifications if you haven't already so that you don't miss any new content. As always, thank you and happy coding.